Tingnan nyo guys, oh, old machine. Might be this was 1800s ago. Yeah, and the caravan is there. Look at that, oh. The harvester, I think they got the canola here, or the wheat, or the barley before, because they have heavy equipments here on the other side also. Yeah. But I don't know when was this. Long time ago. It's still very strong. It's a very hard wood. That's visitors parking. The visitors is only up here. If you are not the camper, you just up there. During night time, maingay din, oh, kasi daming mga travelers is along the highway. That's why so many going to the suburbs far away. We have to cook na our dinner.
Yep. Doesn't seem to be flies around at the moment.
Yeah, we just cook inside the tent.
But I've actually once you start cooking food.
Because I don't know, I'm very sensitive with that mosquitoes. I really don't like mosquitoes. It's really, I feel very itchy all of my body. One mosquito bites me. That's why I killed the mosquito this afternoon. Boom! I saw that. Yeah. Alone kami dito. Ito din ang pinipili namin eh. Kasi ayaw naming makisali doon sa mga ganyan. So kami nandito. Ayan oh, yung mga dumadaan na during night time, parang mga trucks ang dumadaan. Yung mga delivery siguro. During nag-travel sila night time. Okay, kami ay magluluto na for our dinner. What is the time, Han? It's 6 o'clock na, no?
6:15.
6:15, but still very bright, oh. Very bright. The sun is still there.